here, no? Again, thank you for them, no? Ato siyang giduol. So again, thank you for the freedom niya. So, Hearty Satina subscriber, 100% increased kagabi ini. Again, ipadanan ni sila og money. There, no, nga, income, lifetime, Harvard University, yeah? Here, medical exercise stress test. There you are, no? Again, much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines. 35th anniversary of Sinulog Madiga. There, no? May electronic Millennium Sir Branson from the Galactic Space, yeah? Here, again, kadungog bamog ka ng Galactic Virgin, nga. Wadto ta sa moon. Yeah. Space tourism, ha? Sakay ka kada wadto tag Manila or America, no? By which na nagid siya, no? Here, muna siya imuang, muna tagiya, no? Sir Richard Branson from UK, pinakadato in the whole world. By which in here, na makita nimo na, Earth, makita nimo ang Earth, here, niya, nanani siya, na disgrasya lang sila atong 31 of the October, by which mo start on sila, ang first nilang passenger, no? Here, Justin Bieber, da? No? Na Lady Gaga, and lots of celebrity, the couples, Brad Pitt, and Angelina Jolie, and then daghan kayo, no? Nakabook na sila, by which imong book ani, bayad nimo is 10,548,000 pesos. Nya 40 ka book passenger, mo lupad ka sa imong seat, no? There you are. Then makakita ka sa 12 windows, makita nimo ang Earth. Muna di na tamamis ato sa Amerika dili. Adto ka sa moon, no? By which mo siya tagiya. Kaya mao niya karon na tagaan man taogan na sa Amerika nga inventor of the year, no? Here pwede lagi ka sa dagat, pwede sa ka malibang na ano. Again mo ni I try Miss Arwin, mo ni siya kay iyahan man ni, no? Anak daughters from brother. I'm here, no? Again, so how many patients pa, no? Again, this is not a miracle. This is a stress test from America. There you are, no? Then that check, no? Sa freedom, ipada, bahis lagi. Here, again, money dollars, ha? Lifetime, monthly, pitulos lang kabukaron, nga muhatag na to by which, no? The trust and faith. Again, ato siyang educate. So again, likaulan, bagyo gud, no? So, ipatong imong tail go, pasayon ta ka, no? There, live kayo ni. Sige, sikat go. Asa sa parang sit like a king and queen. Mo no? Sit like a king and queen. So we are in the puente, yeah? Okay. Stick it go. Okay, continue lang. Kana goal, sa'yo mo na feel. Sulti lang. Hindi lagi descripted. Sulti lang. Gahi. Sa mga humo. Again, smile siya, no? Gahi, no? Again, gahi because of the resistance or tension or break morning wa sa tanang sports, no? By which lagi dili sakit sa lubot, no? Need to balance. There you are, no? Again, stress test siya go sa Harvard, no? Again, stop go. Ikaw na po, no? Again, thank you for them, no? Nga, sus, ditabang ni nato nga to help educate the people, yeah? So here, again, sus, wapa kay sa tanawon pa, no? Again, wagi tension, no? Muna gibaligya karon sa market, no? By which lagi kining Arwin, here, okay, tindap. Muna, naguba na ang naong, no? Again, naguba na ang naong, so there you are, no? The tension, yeah? Gahi kuno siya, no? Again, nagulan pa, nagpayong, no? Again, there's no reason nga di ka mag-exercise by which this is called medicine not taken orally, no? Again, gawa ng Cebu City, Philippines, no? Mo lagi nang ako, daghan mo manufacture, but I want it nga matatak Cebu, Philippines. I'm gonna born here, I'm gonna die in here, yeah? Mo lagi nang natagaan na gold record by which lagi nga atong government. Maybe di lagi ta ka-blame sa nag-educate, no? By which ako i-educate ni akong loved ones nga, mga countrymen, again, so ano no, nya pwede po siyang kamot, no? Again, we are the coach of Miss Donna Cruz here. Here, no? Again, here, Cebu, first celebrity nga nakahuman og full marathon is Donna Cruz. So here, me and Yong tagiya Cebu, and Craig Alexander, the 2012 yata nga champion, no? Kubra yun man. And then Australia. And here, I'm in London here. So again, base na, this the Galactic, yeah. Magina nga, buwada, was nakabaw, no? Smile gali, was nakabaw, no? So here, atos la educate, there you are, no? Again, discuss siya itong, here, Sir Richard Branson, no? Again, morning mo sakyan, no? Again, so here, si Richard Branson ni, tungkol sa kanyang pagkadato, no? So here's the Noy Hobson niya, coach ni Uiting Susu, ni Chili, no? Mga artista, so here, again. So, kids here at the Seattle, in which we base in the American Heart Association, there, no? Yeah, Cebu, Philippines, proud, yeah. Again, thank you for your support, no? So, nakatabang ta again. Watch out for the kuha, no? Mo lagi to for rent, Arwin Ergometer, by which lagi wapa mo outs market. Ato lang, mo lagi, you know, here, again. So, here, sinulog, you know, again, the sinulog, then the form, no? Again, documented by which, no? You have the proper training program, no. Again, I don't want na ma-wasted imong money, no. So again, Arwin Nagumiter, thank you kayo ha. Thank you.